In 2026, the best motorcycles for short riders are smarter, lighter, and easier to handle than ever. Let's count down the top 7 bikes you'll love to ride. Kicking off our countdown in 2026, we have the BMW G310R, the perfect urban-friendly lightweight motorcycle for shorter riders. BMW has refined this little street fighter for the modern city rider, combining manageable power with top-notch build quality. It's powered by a 313 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, smooth, reliable, and perfect for short legs. In 2026, this bike feels sharper than ever, with updated suspension and improved handling that keeps you confident through corners and traffic. The low seat height makes it effortless to balance, while the nimble chassis gives you that instant control feeling that short riders crave. Fuel economy is excellent, and routine maintenance is minimal. BMW has really optimized this model for long-term worry-free ownership. The digital display, LED lights, and lightweight ergonomics make it feel modern without overwhelming new riders. Even as traffic grows in 2026 cities, the G310R is the bike that lets you ride smart, easy, and stress-free. For short riders looking to start their 2026 adventures, this BMW is an approachable, practical, and stylish choice. It's light, reliable, and just the kind of bike you can hop on, twist the throttle, and feel completely in control from day one. Number 6. 2026 Honda Grom, the ultimate pocket-sized cruiser for short riders. This tiny powerhouse has been reimagined for 2026, combining playful handling with unbeatable reliability. Powered by a 125 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, the Grom is lightweight, easy to control, and surprisingly peppy for city streets. In 2026, Honda has refined the suspension and electronics, giving it smoother performance and even more rider confidence. Its low seat and compact frame make it perfect for riders who want a bike that feels instantly natural under their legs. Fuel efficient and virtually maintenance-free, this little machine lets you enjoy the ride without worrying about service stops. Despite its small size, the Grom packs fun into every twist of the throttle, making it a perfect choice for beginners, casual riders, or anyone who wants a low-stress, no-fuss bike. It's stylish, easy to park, and in 2026 it still turns heads wherever it goes. And even with its tiny footprint, the Grom gives a surprisingly solid road presence, letting riders feel safe and confident on busier streets. Plus, its playful personality and bright colors make it impossible not to smile every time you ride. For short riders looking for adventure, convenience, and pure riding fun this year, the Honda Grom is hard to beat. Light, lively, and built for smiles. It's the perfect way to start your 2026 riding season. At number 5, 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. A cruiser designed for style, comfort, and effortless handling. It's the perfect bike for shorter riders who want a classic cruiser feel without the bulk. Powered by a 349 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, the Meteor 350 delivers smooth, predictable power, ideal for city streets or weekend rides. Royal Enfield has tuned the 2026 model for even better ride comfort, handling, and reliability. The low seat height and relaxed riding posture make mounting and stopping simple, while the lightweight frame lets shorter riders feel completely in control. Fuel economy is excellent and basic maintenance is easy, making this one of the most worry-free bikes of the year. The Meteor 350 also features a modern digital display, LED lights, and subtle styling updates in 2026 that keep it looking fresh without losing its timeless charm. Even in busy traffic, its agile frame and responsive brakes make every ride confident and stress-free. It's not just practical, it's fun. The Meteor 350 combines classic cruiser aesthetics with smooth, lively performance that makes every short ride enjoyable. For riders looking for a dependable, low-maintenance, and stylish 2026 cruiser, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a top pick that won't disappoint. At number 4, 2026 Honda Rebel 300 E-Clutch. The perfect lightweight cruiser for short riders who want ease and confidence in every ride. Honda continues to refine the Rebel 300, offering smooth handling, modern styling, and the effortless convenience of its E-Clutch technology. The 286 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine delivers calm, predictable power, perfect for city streets, tight corners, or relaxed weekend rides. With the E-Clutch system, shifting becomes effortless, no clutch lever needed, which is a game-changer for beginners or shorter riders who value simplicity. The low seat height and narrow frame make mounting, stopping, and maneuvering a breeze. It's lightweight, fuel-efficient, and extremely low maintenance, letting riders focus on enjoying the ride instead of worrying about repairs. In 2026, Honda has also added subtle updates to styling and electronics, including LED lighting and a more refined suspension, keeping the Rebel 300 fresh while preserving its classic charm. Whether you're commuting in traffic or cruising on back roads, this bike feels light, responsive, and totally in control. It's practical, reliable, and a lot of fun. Everything you want in a small cruiser. For short riders looking for a safe, smooth, and stylish ride in 2026, the Honda Rebel 300 E-Clutch is hard to beat. At number 3, 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S. A cruiser built to be comfortable, approachable, and perfect for shorter riders. This lightweight bike has been refined for 2026 with adjustable ergonomics, making it easier than ever to customize the riding position to fit your height and style. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, the Vulcan S delivers smooth, manageable torque that's easy to control. Whether you're riding in the city or cruising on open roads, the bike feels responsive without being intimidating, ideal for riders who want a stress-free experience. The low seat height, narrow frame, and light chassis make maneuvering effortless, while the suspension has been tuned for both comfort and control. It's a bike that gives you confidence at low speeds and stability at higher speeds, all while keeping the ride smooth and enjoyable. Kawasaki also updated the 2026 version with better electronics and subtle styling refinements to make it feel modern, yet classic. This is a cruiser that balances comfort, performance, and accessibility perfectly for shorter riders. In short, the Vulcan S is a versatile, reliable, and stylish 2026 cruiser, one that makes you feel confident from the moment you mount the seat. For short riders looking for a dependable cruiser that's fun, lightweight, and easy to handle, the Kawasaki Vulcan S is a top pick. At number 2, 2026 Indian Sport Scout RT. A lightweight American cruiser designed for short riders who want power, style, and comfort all in one package. Indian has refined the Scout RT for 2026, making it even more approachable, agile, and fun to ride. Powered by a 1250 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, the Sport Scout RT delivers smooth, predictable torque for confident cruising and highway riding. It's powerful enough to feel thrilling on open roads, yet manageable enough to navigate tight city streets without stress. The low seat height and narrow frame make mounting, stopping, and controlling the bike effortless. Plus, the ergonomics are slightly adjustable, so you can find the perfect riding position for comfort and confidence. For 2026, Indian added small upgrades to the electronics, suspension, and styling, making the Scout RT feel modern without losing its classic American cruiser character. It's light, responsive, and designed to make riders feel in full control from the first twist of the throttle. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned short rider, this bike delivers an unbeatable balance of performance, style, and reliability. The 2026 Indian Sport Scout RT proves that a short rider can have all the fun and confidence of a big cruiser in a manageable package. At number 1, 2026 Yamaha YZF-R3. A lightweight sport bike that short riders can handle with absolute confidence. The R3 has been updated for 2026, and it's designed to combine sporty performance with approachable ergonomics for riders who don't want a heavy, intimidating bike. Its 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers smooth, controllable power that feels exciting without being overwhelming. The lightweight chassis and low seat height make maneuvering easy, while the responsive brakes and suspension inspire confidence on every ride. For 2026, Yamaha has refined the electronics and tuning to give better throttle response, smoother handling, and improved comfort for shorter riders. Even with its sporty design and aggressive styling, the R3 stays perfectly balanced and predictable, ideal for city streets or twisty weekend rides. It's not just about performance. The R3 also offers excellent fuel economy, low maintenance, and a bike that simply doesn't demand much attention to keep it running perfectly. For short riders looking for a sporty, fun, and reliable 2026 motorcycle, the Yamaha YZF-R3 stands out as the ultimate pick. This lightweight sport bike proves that a small frame doesn't mean small fun. It's thrilling, practical, and completely confidence-inspiring for 2026. Which of these short rider-friendly bikes is your favorite? Comment below, like, subscribe, and ride safe. See you in the next video.